For tonight, you get your official names. You will no longer be kittens. You will be jellicle cats.
Born into nothing. At least you have something to cling to. Visions of dazzling rooms I'll never get let into.
Scotland Yard, the flying squad to spare. But when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity's not there. McCavity, there's no one like McCavity.
Because they're all singing what they could do, can you see in the dark? Can you look at a king? Would you sit on his throne? They're saying all what they could do, and I just have a feeling, are they singing to a cat?
All alone in the moonlight, I can smile at the old days. I was beautiful then.
Not so bad. In fact, I really like my humans, especially the little girl. My humans feed me, brush my coat, change my litter, and give me treats.
The Rum-Tum Tugger is artful and knowing. The Rum-Tum Tugger doesn't care for a cuddle, but a leap upon your lap in the middle of your sewing. For there's nothing I enjoy like a horrible muddle.
Where to lead? Should I take chances? But no one's on chances on me.
I go by many names and many guises. Will-o'-the-wisp, phantom, thing that goes bump in the night. But you can call me McCavity.
McCavity is a ginger cat. He's very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. His cut is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he's half asleep, he's always wide awake.
When you fall on your head, do you land on your feet?
Are you tense when you sense there's a storm in the air?
That is correct, young ones. 50 years. For 50 years I treaded the boards and performed on the greatest stage as the world over.
All over the world? Like where?
Everywhere, my dears. Oh, I've played the old globe, the new globe, the new old globe.
People say,
Oh, well, he never was there ever. A cat so clever as magical Mr.